William, the northern hairy-nosed wombat, welcomes you to Thallon. The small town of Thallon is around 500 kilometres west of Brisbane and 78 kilometres south of St George. It's a prime growing area with wheat, oats and chickpeas and a sheep and beef industry. These grain silos are a huge drawcard to the tourists. 30 metres high, they represent the icons of the area. The beautiful sunsets, the Moonie River, the scar tree which represents the Indigenous people of the area, the pale-faced rosella and a mob of sheep. This is a fairly small community with around 200 people in the area and 20 kids attending the school. Behind me we have the Francis Hotel, the hub of the community, where you get your beer, the social company, accommodation and your groceries. And right next door is a coffee shop. This guy is a very important person in any little town. This is the baker and he's getting ready to put a loaf of bread into the oven. And just behind is one of the original wood fire ovens. It's been there since about 1927. Another star attraction to the area is William, the northern hairy-nosed wombat. These are the rarest land marsupials left in the world. They once ranged over the entire eastern side of Australia. When the European settlement moved in with their cattle and sheep, because of the competition for food, these marsupials were nearly wiped out. In fact, in 1970s, there were estimated to be only about 35 left. But with careful conservation, the numbers have risen to around 300. And just outside of town, there are 2 hidden murals for you to find. These 2 murals under the railway bridge are of Collie and Pom. They were painted in recognition of the work, the support that they did for the community. And how do I know that this is Collie? Well, I guess because of his helmet, but they've also named a rosé after him. And this, I assume, is Pom. The reason I came to Thallon this weekend was to have a look at the big truck pull competition. The aim of the competition is to see who can pull these big trucks over a short distance in the quickest possible time.
Are you boys ready? On your mark, get set. Yeah, that's debatable. They should hold on to it under or over as obviously come against them. Getting off to a fantastic start, and the Monday grasshoppers are going for it. Oh, look at that psycho watching her. Ready, set.
It's time for me to leave now, but don't forget, keep your eye out for next year's big truck pull competition. You'll enjoy it.